Hey, this is NK Fabio here to show you my test car Super GT500 NSX. Got the takata of this as well. It's in the somewhere in the box. Just trying to look for it. Can't remember. Trying to put it in. Yeah. This one I bought sometime, like both of them I bought sometime, but that was the takata one I bought first, and then this one afterwards. But yeah, I'm just going to unbox it. Holding the phone in one hand. Yeah. I know this is I know these models are a little bit delicate, so when probably clean it up, just like watch out for. I hope that doesn't, like something like mirrors and like the aerial doesn't like bend and all that. But yeah, this looks nice. Side of it. I'll just show you the. Got an awesome spoiler on the top. So yeah, like the it's the rear of it there. Got awesome, like, well, yeah, Bridgestone tyres. Got a bit of Bridgestone written all that there. Yeah, this is the test one. The takata looks really nice. I mean, they both look nice. The car looks really good as well, which I'll be showing in my next vid. Yeah, and also the updated. I've ordered another Mustang kit of this. And this one had like the plastic lens for the lights, and also I had this. This came from my AMT. Well, there was stickers like for the AMT Camaro, but I decided to put on this, which looks nice. And oh no, it says CM, but can be custom. Well, yeah, Mustang, custom Mustang. Or I know I mentioned this Camaro, but that's alright. Still looks alright. And that's it. Thanks for watching.